Hi guys, time's flown by again this week. What a surprise. Well, I've definitely got out of that hobby slump. I've done a lot this week so far, so no spoilers, but it was supposed to be this week's video. Next week's video is basically what I've done for the majority of the week. Kill Team got released and got delivered on Saturday. Today is obviously Wednesday. I'm all the terrain's painted. The orcs are built and base coated. The Death Corps of Krieg are built, base coated, and got the majority of the colours on there that I'm going to be using. So they just need cleaning up, basing, finishing off. So it's mostly just the orcs I've got left to do. I'm really happy with it so far. I've read through the rules. I'm going to talk a lot about Kill Team in this week's video, so yeah. Happy times. I'm definitely cracking on. I've had the week off work. I've still got the week off work, so I've got another 2, maybe 3 days of time to just now dedicate 100% to getting everything that I want to get done, and then I can be in a position to tell you about some other stuff. That's it. That's what I've been up to. It's good to be out of the hole. I am super excited about Kill Team, obviously. Yeah, I want to talk about it. But I'm not going to do that here. What else we got? We've got the Custodies almost finished. They kind of took a back seat because of Kill Team and other project. They're 80% done. The bases, I've tried something totally different with that I think is in keeping with what I wanted to achieve. That's really exciting. Totally different to what I've done before as well. So yeah, happy times there. And I think that's it. Again, thank you so much for anybody new to the channel that subscribed recently. I don't know what's going on, but my sub count is just creeping up now really well. So that's encouraging. I've invested a little bit more time and effort into trying making my videos a little bit nicer to watch. So all of that stuff is kind of like helping me feel a little bit more enthused about the hobby. I suppose that there's separate hobbies, aren't there? But for me, it's all part of the same thing. It's all part of my Warhammer hobbying, Kill Team, Games Workshopy, and other providers' journey. But yeah, that's it. That's it for me, guys, this week. So I will see you on Saturday. Hopefully I'll have a video done. Yeah, that's going to be a tough one this week. I've got a ton of editing to get done. I'm probably not going to get through it all. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. Hope you have a good hobby week. If you're at work, get through it, get home, get some paint on some minis, play some games, roll some dice, be happy, drink a lot of coffee, and I will see you guys, yeah, you, especially you there, on Saturday. Till then, guys, remember, if you're going to do crack, make sure it's plastic. See ya.